If you want to insert a SIM card into Google Pixel 10 Pro, then first of all, we need to prepare the SIM eject tool. Now, over here at the top of the device, we have the SIM tray, and there is this hole. We need to use the SIM tray eject hole and put it into this hole, like so, and then use a little bit of force in order to push it down to make the SIM tray pop out. You can grab from this left side if you have trouble with removing the SIM tray completely, and use your fingers to take it out. Now, over here we have our SIM tray with the SIM card slot. We just need to insert the SIM card into its place, make sure that it matches the shape of the slot, and you probably want to put it like on a desk or something because the SIM slot is pretty loose and it is really easy to drop the card. And let's try to put it in. Oh, there we go. And now we can put it back into the phone. Let's push it in and make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. I mean, the SIM tray. You should be able to push it all the way in, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.